this is just what my hair looks like right now. I am fresh out the shower and I wanted to do a little pack with me because we're heading to Charleston today. This is probably the latest I've ever packed. We have like an afternoon night flight flying later in the day, so it's not that big of a deal. But again, I'm usually someone who gets things done way ahead of time, especially when it comes to packing. I've referred to myself as a bad packer, but I actually think I'm a pretty good packer nowadays, especially with my base luggage. I think that's how you say it. Basic kind of is what I think they play upon a lot. It's really helpful in just kind of compressing things. So I just wanted to do a little pack with me video because I feel like this goes along with the organization, productivity stuff that I'm now doing on my channel. And again, this is something that I'm just doing in my day-to-day life that I thought would be interesting to share with you guys. I like watching people pack, especially for summer locations, vacations, so bikinis, tank tops, shorts. It's April, so I know it's gonna be kind of warm. I know it's gonna be definitely warmer than we are here in New Jersey, but I also think that we could get a couple chilly afternoons, a couple days like in the low 70s, which is still pretty warm now that I think about it. But yeah, come along and pack with me. See my techniques and how I kind of pack things. Also, let me know if you guys have any special packing tips or tricks that you guys use when you're going on like a week-long vacation, because it's easier to pack for summer since the items are smaller. But like I said, sometimes I still overpack because I just am worried that I'm not gonna have enough. But I've been getting a lot better, and I think one of the things that I do is I lay out all my clothing on a bed or like a flat surface. That way I can see everything and kind of count how many outfits I have. This is also where I really find it useful to have pieces that coordinate with each other and can make multiple different outfits, kind of like a capsule wardrobe, but not really like a capsule wardrobe because I am not that much of an outfit repeater, even on vacation, just being honest. But I do have pieces that, like, you know, denim shorts, basics, tops, that kind of stuff that do get rotated in pretty frequently. Or sometimes I'll go on vacation and just want to wear the same thing over and over. So let's get packing because I don't have too much time. Okay, here's the most unaesthetic flat lay ever, but I brought about 5 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of jeans, 15 tops, tank tops, short sleeve, and then 3 bathing suits. ready to go. Luggage lift test. All right. Not too bad. I am all packed up, ready to go. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.